When you search for the best guitar stand for electric guitars, everything looks the same. Same shapes, same claims, same prices. But to find what really works for your instrument and space, you need to dig deeper. Product number 1, Amazon Basics Height Adjustable Stand. First up is the Amazon Basics Height Adjustable Portable Foldable Guitar Stand. Priced at just $13.60, it caught my eye with its sturdy design and versatility. If you want a reliable stand that fits various types of instruments, this is worth a serious look. This stand has a durable iron frame and soft rubber padding at all contact points, ensuring your guitar stays safe. Its tripod design features thick metal support bars and anti-slip rubber feet, which means it won't tip over easily. The height-adjustable mechanism allows you to customize it to your guitar's specific needs, and it folds flat for easy transport. With over 6,700 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among musicians. Now, some users mention that the stand can be a bit bulky for travel. Here's the thing though, the stability this provides is worth it if you're looking for something that can handle regular use in your home or studio. If you're just looking for something to take to gigs, it might feel a little heavy. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, adjustable stand that works for multiple instruments. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for frequent travel. At this price, you're getting great value for your money. Now, if that stand's bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Portable Adjustable Stand. Next, we have the Amazon Basics Portable Adjustable Folding Guitar Stand. At $18.99, it's a bit pricier but offers some impressive features. If you want something that's lightweight and easy to carry, this might be your best bet. This A-frame stand is designed to accommodate both electric and acoustic guitars with its 3 adjustable width settings. The soft foam arms really protect your guitar, ensuring it won't get scratched while resting on the stand. Plus, it folds flat for transport, making it super convenient. With over 63,200 reviews and a stellar 4.8-star rating, it's a proven choice. However, some users found it less stable compared to tripod designs. But honestly, if you're using it primarily at home or for casual gigs, it's a small trade-off for the portability and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you travel often and need a lightweight stand. Skip this one if you prefer a sturdier setup for longer-term use. For the price, it really delivers on convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stability. Product number 3, CAHAYA Guitar Stand. Now let's talk about the CAHAYA Guitar Stand, which is priced at $18.99. This one really stands out with its unique umbrella-shaped structure. If you're looking for something sturdy, this is worth considering. What's cool about this stand is its adjustable height ranging from 30.7 to 37 inches, making it super versatile. Plus, the thick sponge padding protects your guitar from scratches. It's built to hold different types of instruments, including bass guitars and banjos, which is pretty handy. With 4,400 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it has a solid following. Some users did mention that the height adjustment can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite convenient for different playing situations. This is perfect for you if you play multiple instruments or need a stand that adjusts to your height. Skip this one if you're only using it for one type of guitar. For the price and features, it's a solid investment. Now, if the height adjustment seemed complicated, the next product is much simpler. Product number 4, GUITTO Guitar Stand. Next up is the GUITTO Guitar Stand, priced at $17.99. This one's great if you want a compact option that doesn't skimp on quality. If portability and protection are your priorities, this might be the one for you. The GUITTO stand is made from high-strength plastic and metal, making it lightweight yet durable. One of the best parts, it folds down to a tiny size and weighs just under a pound, which makes it super easy to carry around. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from 4,600 reviews, proving it's a favorite for many. However, some users wish the stand had more height options. But I'll be real with you, for casual playing or practice, it's adjustable enough to suit most situations. This is perfect for you if you need something easily portable and space-saving. Skip this one if you want more height customization. Given its features, it's a good deal for the price. Now, if that simplicity is what you're looking for, the last option might be even better for your storage needs. Product number 5, DK Oven A-Frame Folding Guitar Stand. Finally, we have the DK Oven A-Frame Folding Guitar Stand, which is incredibly affordable at $9.99. If you're on a tight budget but still want quality, this is definitely worth checking out. This stand features a lightweight A-frame design that provides great stability. It's equipped with 4 non-slip silicone feet to prevent your guitar from tipping over, which is crucial for keeping your instrument safe. The soft foam arms protect your guitar's finish while holding it securely in place. Plus, it folds flat for easy travel and storage. With 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's a reliable choice for budget-conscious musicians. Now, some users noted that it might not support heavier guitars very well. But honestly, for lighter instruments or casual use, it does the job perfectly. Skip this one if you have a heavier guitar needing more support. At this price, you're really getting a lot of value. So there you have it, 5 great guitar stands, each with its unique benefits. Whether you need portability, stability, or budget friendliness, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy playing.